Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing good. Today we're on another road trip. Where are we going?
California.
We're going to California. We're gonna go see my family. I'll try to film as much as I can so I can put something together for you guys. It should be like, what, an 8-hour drive today. So we left around, like 7-ish, like 7:30. So should be there around like 4, I would say, 'cause probably like stop and everything. So stopped by to get some gas. $70. And I still have, like, this isn't even a full tank. 5.3 over here. That's crazy. This shit got a silencer, bro. We only have like 250 more miles to go, I think. So like around 3.5 hours. Pump some gas, and yeah, should be good. We don't need to pump gas anymore after.
If Rudolph doesn't get out of the way, man.
So we're down to our last 90 miles. We just stopped at a Starbucks to use the bathroom. Right now I'm just gonna transfer some of the clips and pictures I have so I'll have more storage for later. But yeah, we're pretty much almost there. There's nothing really going on, but I'm just gonna keep filming. Finally made it, guys. We're like, what, 7 minutes away from where we actually need to be at. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything else tonight, but if we do, I'll try to film it. And if anything, hopefully we get into something pretty cool tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day already. I got to the house yesterday around like 4:30, 5-ish. And just spent some time with my family. Didn't really do anything else for the rest of the night. Right now, I am going to pick up my ninong. Ninong, if you guys are Filipino, you know what ninong is, but ninong is pretty much godfather. So we're going to my godfather's right now. I might clean my car really quick, and then we're gonna just head back to the house. Cleaned the car already. Looks a lot better. So got everything ready. We're about to head back right now. Just wanted to show you guys this car. So this is his. If there was like anyone that inspired me to get into cars and to like, you know, like take care of my things, it'd definitely be him. Like growing up, He just had all the cool toys. Yeah, I mean, like, look at this. The thing is always nice. It smells so good too. Tell us all the things that you had before. What kind of cars?
Secret.
Secret. Oh my god. All right, so this video is so messy, but it's the next day. We're gonna probably explore around. We'll see what we get into today, but so far that's all we have. You guys already know what we're about to do right now. Let me hide my pen before you guys rob me. $5, bro. This one doesn't have a silencer. Not fun at all. We're about to get copyrighted, bro. Look at this. That thing is clean, man. Look at those wheels. Looks nice. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
1, 2. When I call your name, say here. Brownie. Where's Brownie? Puka. Absent. Missing 2 out of 5.
Look how bad it is outside. It's super foggy. You can barely see anything. Oh my gosh. I just cleaned this. It's day what?
3.
Day 3? So day 3, and it's our last day here. Right now we're gonna go to my aunt's house. It's her birthday. So it's probably gonna be the last thing we'll do here. And tonight, get a bunch of rest. Well, we're gonna try to get some rest to be ready for our drive tomorrow, driving back to Vegas. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Racking up all the miles. Imagine your miles turned into like money. We'd be rich.
I'd be rich with my car.
For real, yours pushing like 200. It's about to blow up. Ooh! We are now on our way back. We didn't get to film anything. We didn't really do anything because we were just with our family at the house. It's raining, and I literally just cleaned my car like 2 days ago, so this sucks. I'm probably just gonna pump gas tonight already. That way, tomorrow we just wake up and we're ready to go. We're just gonna get some rest, go to sleep, and be ready for our trip tomorrow. So yeah, if anything, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. You guys already know what's about to happen. Getting some gas again, you already know. We were supposed to leave yesterday morning, and it was just so foggy. The weather was so bad that there were even a lot of flights canceled. Our family's over there waiting for us, but pumping some gas right now so we can just get closer to Vegas. But yeah, weather's super bad. Here we are, just bumper to bumper traffic. We're stuck here in front of the windows wallpaper. This guy knows what's up. Bro, no wonder why it's so windy right now. Like, who left the fan on? We still have, I think, what, 300 miles? 300 miles to go. Still pretty far, but yeah. Hopefully the weather clears up a little bit. It could be worse. You could be on the other side. This has been going on for like, I don't know, maybe like a solid 5 miles now. It's just traffic like that. It's bad. All right, so we stopped to get some food. We're also gonna pump gas already and just hit the road again. So I dropped the car inside the seat, and the car in front of me moved. Literally, it's only been like 5 seconds. The car behind me is already honking. I'm like, bro, look, we're all still waiting. Relax. Watch. He's gonna honk again. Never mind, I'm not gonna instigate that shit. Bro, ain't no way this shit is like $6. Anyways, you already know. Dude, the weather just got worse. Like, I don't understand. Why can't it just stop raining? So the weather cleared up, but then we caught some traffic. Dude, there's been just accidents like back to back. If it's not an accident, it'd be like construction, but this one looks like it's an accident. I think we have like an hour and a half left, so not too bad. I don't know if you guys can see all of that down there. Yeah, so it's probably gonna take a while.
This dude has his lights on. Oh, turn them on.
So as soon as we got out of that traffic, it just started pouring again. Today's just been so weird. This weather's been so weird. We're only like 30 miles or so away, so we're almost home. Alright guys, we've made it back to Vegas. We're like 15 minutes away from the house, so almost there, but that's all we have for the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to everyone that supports the channel. I appreciate you guys a lot. I'll see you guys in our next video. And comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see so I can make them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.